Hello, viewers. Olympics, and if we don't talk about athletics, I think it's a sin. I have been to Athens and Olympia and I've seen the start 776 BC. They're basically athletics and wrestling. So I know athletics takes place in the second week, but if we don't talk about athletics, I think the soul will be taken away. India has won 28 medals up till now, and till few years back, every time when we used to think of athletics, we used to think of Milkha Singh coming fourth and PT Usha coming fourth, one in 64, other in 84, and we used to lament. But dear friends, it comes as a very happy moment that in 1900, Normal Pritchard, an Anglo-Indian who was from Calcutta, trained in Calcutta, won 2 silvers in Paris Olympics 1900, 200-meter dash and 200-meter hurdles. And IOC has recently given the accreditation that those 2 medals belong to India. So India does have a record of something in track and field too. Now coming to this edition, track and field athletics has not been taking place, so the results may be something. But India is sending its biggest ever contingent. And so first of all, I'd like to explain why national champions cannot go to Olympics. Simple reason is that for athletics, previous Olympics, top 6 timing you have to beat. Then only you can be eligible, and then there are certain quotas. Our athletes were not at that level that they could reach the 6th level. This time 19 of them could do it. I think that is the fundamental, and we must appreciate these athletes. At least they are part of Olympics. Now coming to the first event, that is 20-kilometer walk. India has got 3 players. They may not get the medal, but first of all, KT Irfan, who was there in London Olympics 2012, recently came 10th in an event, and that's why he's there. Then Sandeep Kumar, Rahul Rohila. But their timings are 1 hour 20 minutes 20 seconds, whereas in Rio Olympics, the medals were won at 1 hour 17 minutes, 1 hour 18 minutes. So 2-3 minutes is a big time, and we can only pray for medal. But we salute them, the 3 of them could be part of the contingent. Now steeplechase, 3000 meter men's steeplechase is one of the toughest events. We always remember the Kenyans doing very well, and they have been doing well. But the fact is, one Indian, Avinash Sehgal, has been able to make it qualifying. And the world record is 8 minutes 3 seconds, and he has been able to do it 8:20. The Olympics have been 1-1, 8:11, 8:12. So therefore, there's a wide margin, and I don't think so he can get a medal. But again, he is there. Now coming to one of my sport which I loved, that is long jump. India has a new national record. Okay, Murli Sri Shankar. Right now in Patiala, he jumped to the distance of 8.26. And if I tell you the Rio, it was 8.38, 8.37, 8.29. So 8.29 also one could get a medal. And right now the crop of long jumpers are not as good when I was growing, because that time it was Carl Lewis. Everybody remembers him as a racer. I think he's the best ever long jumper. He used to come and do one jump on 850 plus, 860 plus. That time Mike Powell hit a 8.95. Bob Beamon 8.9 Olympic record. But now there are hardly people who score above 8.5. So, and in the long jump, rhythm is very important. Even Murli loses his rhythm. But let's hope. Maybe there's a chance. And even if he makes top 6, I'll be very, very happy. Now come my favorite, about whom I written, my namesake, Neeraj Chopra. The event comes javelin. Neeraj has won Commonwealth gold, Asian gold medal. I had written an article, if you will fetch the net, the tumbling sensation, trained by youth hand, and the tumbling, the last push. And that's why he's not such a big build, coming from very humble family, working in army, somehow able to manage and train, and he was training well. His best has been 88.06 meter, but he's very regular. He throws 87, 88. In the world, he's ranked fourth in the Diamond League. Basically, if I talk about it, Vetter, Roller, and Yego, who have all thrown above 90 meters, are three above him. But if we see, again, javelin is again by rhythm. That day what happens? So if you see in Rio, a Roller threw 90.3, Yego hit 88.24, and the Walcott won the bronze at 85.38. So Neeraj Chopra can get a bronze medal for India, and I'll not be surprised. Then we have another person, we should not undermine him, Shivpal. He's also a javelin thrower, and he has thrown, 86.23. So it's a decent, but again he's very erratic, and but he has made it to Olympics. Next Olympics, let's see what does he do. Now we come to the silent guy. In Asia, he came, 3 days he went back and nobody knew. Tajinder Pal Singh, the big guy, the shot put guy. He won the Asian gold with 20.75, which was very good. But recently he has hit 21.49. And he is the Asian record holder. Asia, nobody has gone above him. And obviously he's the national record holder. And if you see, right now Ryan Cruiser has hit 23.32. And he has beaten the world record of Randy Barnes of years. Then Kovacs is there. And, Walsh is there. But if I tell you the distances in Rio, Krauser had hit 22.52, Kovacs had 21.78, and Walsh 21.36. Therefore, if Tajinder gets something around 21.5, 21.7, he can be in the medals, but he'll definitely be in top 6. That I can be very, very certain. And you can expect a medal from him. Now, it was all about men. Now coming to women, they are not behind. So first of all, it's Kamal Preet. Women discus, one of the toughest, well-built people. And the fact is, she has been doing it very well. She just became the first Indian to cross 66 meters. She got a throw of 66.59. And if you see, Rio Olympics, the top three, 69.21, 66.73, 65.34. That means she also has a little chance. Okay. Now the fact is, along with that, we have Seema Punia, whom Kamal Preet has dethroned. Seema Punia was the Asian champion at 63.72. And still, after so much age, fighting elections and everything, she's still there for the Olympics. She qualified. Her best is 63.72, but she has qualified. That is a wonderful thing. Then we cannot forget Duty Chand, the Asian who has got silver in 100 meters and 200 meters. But her timing for 100 best is 11.17 and 200 is 23. So if she qualifies for the second round, I'll be happy. Because if you see, I don't know, and you must see Shrey Fraser, the lovely colored hair and the way she has been running, 10.71. So I don't think so she has a chance. And again, Fraser, look for Fraser. And the same way in 100-meter men, because Indian participant is not there. Remember a name called Coleman. He is tipped to become the 100-meter champs. So the Fraser and Coleman, look for them at the Olympics. Now, 20-kilometer walk women, a surprise element. The two Indians have qualified for the same. Bhavna Jatt and Priyanka Goswami. And the fact is, Bhavna Jatt has got a timing of 1 hour and 29 minutes. Okay. And in last Olympics, 1 hour, 28 minutes, 35 seconds, people got the gold medal. So she's not far behind. And if the adrenal flow is there, I think she can do wonders. And maybe she gets one of the medals. So don't discount her. And the second is Priyanka Goswami. She's there, but she's not as good as Bhavna. But I think she'll be there, give a good competition to Bhavna and motivate her to do better. Then the last woman we have is Anu Rani, diminutive but javelin thrower. A good javelin thrower, and she has got a best throw 63.24. Again, I hope does that she qualifies for the second round, because in Rio the timings were 66.18, 64.92 and 64.8. These distances she has never reached, so I don't think so. And Rio was a subpar. So if she makes it to the second round, I'll be happy. Last is a new thing which came in World Athletics Championship and even Asiad. And by virtue of Asia champion, Indian team is there. And is 4x100 mixed, 2 men, 2 women. Sorry folks, Hima Das is not there. But the person who's there, Muhammad Anas, who broke Milkha Singh's record, and he's the fastest Indian. Then Visma is there, then Nirmal is there, and Jisna is there. But I don't think so. In 400 meter, our timings are compared to the world. For Asia, it's very good, but Europe and USA, I don't think so India can match up. But the fact is, what I've talked to you about athletics, I do feel India can get 1 or 2 bronzes. And 2 bronze I'm expecting. Let's hope the second week of Olympics and India gets some dividends in athletics. Thank you.